Welcome to Study Loop.
Particular question, we have a continuous fractionating column in required to separate a mixture containing 0.695 mole fraction N-heptane and 0.305 mole of fraction N-octane. So we have the minimum reflux ratio, and that is equal to 4.36. And we have the diameter of column, that is 0.7960 meters. So in this part, we need to get our F, or basically our fractioning column. So we have our F, that is equals to 1.25 mg over sec. And we have our XF, that is 0.695. So we have our mole with heptane, or the mole's weight of heptane, that is equals to 100 grams per mole. And we have the molecular weight. So we have the molecular weight of octane, that is equal to 114 grams per mole. So we have 0.695 times 100 plus 0.305 times 116. So we have equal to 104.27 grams per mole. So our F would be equal to 1.25 kilogram per second divided by 104.27 grams per mole. So we have equal to 11.988 mole per second, or this would be equal to 12 mole per second. Now for the minimum reflux ratio, so that definitely we need to get, or we need to draw or plot the equilibrium data. So from the reflux ratio, so we have the slope of a recycling line, that is xd minus y over xd minus x. So we have Rm over Rm1, that was 0.99 minus 0.75 over 0.99 minus 0.695. So we have Rm over Rm plus 1, that is 0.8135. So our Rm is equal to 4.36. Next, we have to get the RAC12. So basically we have our RAC12, that is equals to 2R, that is 2 times 4.36, and our RAC12 will be equal to 8.72. So D over F is equals to XF minus XW divided by XD minus XW. That would be equal to 0.645 minus 0.010 over 0.99 minus 0.01. So our D will be equal to 0.6989, or this would be equal to 0.6989. And remember, ln over D, this is our RAC12. And ln, or D rather, will be equal to 8.3877 mole per seconds. So we have our Vn plus 1 is equals to ln plus D. So this would be equal to the RAC12 times D plus D. So we have equal to 8.72 times 8.3877 plus 8.3877, and this should be equal to 81.52 mole per seconds. So our Vn plus 1 will be equal to 81.52 mole per seconds times the average molecular weight, that is in grams per mole. So we have equal to 81.52 times 0.99 times 100 plus 0.01 times 114, and that would be equal to 8.16 kilogram per seconds. And this would be our Vn plus 1. And from the top, let's go from the top. So based on here, we will have our Vn plus 1 is equals to AV. So we have 8.16 is equals to PM over RT. So we have A and U. So 8.16 is equals to 101.3 times 100.4 divided by 8.314 times 372 over N, or N over 4 D squared. So we have times 1.28. So we have equal to D, that is 0.7960 meters. So I hope I've answered your question, and that would be all, and thank you.